It's massive, to be honest. There's a reason why it's so busy, and I think generally that's because it's quite difficult to go and take that time to do that research on that new product. Because if you can come to a stand, speak to one of the experts, I think it just allows you to decide whether that's something or not that you're going to be applying, you know, on a day, weekly basis. And sometimes it just means that we find each other a little bit easier.
To get in front of these people, have really good conversations in these really nice, friendly environments, and push towards better relationships.